Welcome to Mingling Trays! Today we're gonna make one of famous Korean food, bibimbap, which is simple, easy, and of course, it's delicious! Bibim in Korean means mixing. Bap in Korean is rice. So bibimbap is basically a mixing bowl. Today we're gonna make two versions of bibimbap. First, we're gonna make traditional way with beef in gochujang sauce. And next, we're gonna make bibimbap with tofu instead of meat with little special rice, which is cooked with azuki beans. For spinach, we're gonna blanch. As soon as they're wilted, place them in ice cold water. For soybean sprouts, make sure to cook them at least 3 minutes. And we're going to pat dry zucchinis before cook them. This is a fern break, gosari. I believe you can find it from local Asian grocery store, but it's totally fine if you want to skip it. One of key points when you make bibimbap, make sure to season with salt really lightly when you prep or cook all the veggies so that you can enjoy all the natural flavors of veggies with rice and gochujang sauce. If you think gochujang sauce is too spicy for you, then you can enjoy your bibimbap with soy sauce. All done, let's plate. Bibimbap is actually one of my favorite food. The reason I love bibimbap is that you can enjoy all the different texture, flavors with rice and with gochujang sauce. It's amazing. So today, as we share two different versions of bibimbap, you can come up with your own way. Then it's time to enjoy. Thanks for watching and see you soon!